Hello, my name is Suleiman. I'm a mathematics teacher from Sheikh Abubakar Gumi Academy. It's good to use this medium to reach you. I hope you are making good use of your break. It is necessary, okay? Just make sure you at least revise your note so that you don't forget what you already know or master, okay? Let me quickly discuss this with you. There's what we call forgetting curve, as in forgetting curve. Our brain can be compared to computer hard disk as in memory, but the difference is that while computer disk can be occupied, our memory does not. But the memory has a way of deleting some information that are not necessary. Okay, now what is necessary and what is not necessary to our brain or memory? Okay, it all starts from you. What you think is necessary, as in you practice every day, you make use of it, your brain will not see it useful, then save it permanently. But something you don't visit, even from the point of learning it, you don't even see it as a serious thing, and at the end, and also you don't practice it, so your brain will see it as an irrelevant. Okay, then subsequently it will be deleted. So our brain cannot be occupied, but while some information, some irrelevant information will be deleting, the new one will be coming in. What you practice, you see the value in it, you see the reason why you learn it, you make use of it, then it will begin to store in your brain. Okay, because forgetting curve is such that what you learn today, in next 24 hours you are likely to forget half of the information. Okay, but tomorrow as you practice it and so on and so on, it will become permanent. That is what forgetting curve is telling us. Okay, anyway, according to your scheme, we have to start from bearing. Okay, bearing and distance. Bearing means direction, as simple as that. Okay, bearing means direction. Okay, we can nowadays we use compass bearing to take direction. Okay, you can look at the four cardinal points. We have north, we have south, we have east, we have west. Okay, we measure bearing from starting from the north in clockwise direction. Okay, we measure bearing from the north in clockwise direction. Clockwise, this is how your clock move, right? That is clockwise. The opposite is anti-clockwise. Okay, so we move from north to east, north to east, from east to south, south to west, and back to north. Okay, this is the main cardinal point: north, south, east, and west. Apart from that, we also have secondary direction. Like remember, we don't say east north, we say north east. Okay, so this is northeast, this region. Of course, it's sharing boundary between north and east. That is northeast. This is between south and east, but we don't say east south, we say southeast. Okay, here also we don't say west south, rather southwest. And in capital letter, don't mind me please. Okay, here is north west. Okay, we measure bearing starting from the north. But if you remember your shapes as in angles, this is right angle triangle. Just watch, it is right angle triangle. Okay, which means from north to east is 90 degree. Okay, if from north to east is 90 degree, then from north to south, that means we are looking at two right angle triangle. Northeast is 90 degree, therefore north to south, whenever you see something like this NS, that is north to south, that is 180 degree. Okay, remember clockwise. Then from north to west, northwest, that is 270 degree. Then north to north, north is what? 360 degree. Okay, if you look at our map, Nigerian map, we have north central. Okay, maybe, but it is just a name. We just divide, we just feel like name, just feel to name it like that. So in terms of direction, as in recognized direction, not like north central. Okay, or not like north central. Okay, or south south. We have north central, we have south south. It's just some region that they are named as such. Okay, then we have okay, here is north, south, east, and west. Okay, then if from north to east is 90 degree, okay, then can you tell me this direction, north northeast? What is north northeast? This is the region north northeast. It is simple, that is 45. Okay, this is like halfway between north and east, that is northeast. Okay, bearing is very useful. Now let us see how we measure bearing. Okay, remember from your house there's a bearing, from your house to your school. That is the direction. Starting from the north, you can measure it. Okay,
Major directions. There are four main directions. There are north, south, west, east. The direction help us to locate places. Major directions. There are four main directions. There are east, west, north, and south. These directions help us to locate places. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When we face the sunrise, we are looking towards the east, and behind us is the west. Then the direction on our left is north. The direction on our right is south. Directions facing each other are called opposite directions.
okay, let us represent this bearing. Okay, let's see how we can represent this bearing. Okay, we have A, B, C. The first one, A. Remember, we start from the north and move clockwise. This is 50. So where do you think 50 should lie? Is it first quadrant or second? It has to be first quadrant, because from here to here is 90. So this A that is 50 degree will fall somewhere here. Okay, this is 50. This is how to represent this bearing, 50 degree. Okay, so let us call it A. A is 50 degree. But one thing you should know, if here is 50 degree, this remaining part, you should be able to calculate it, because it is even more necessary. It is more necessary than the bearing itself. So if here is 50 degree, the remaining part, this small part, should be 40. Okay, hope it is clear. Now let us look at the B part. 140 degree. 140 degree, in which quadrant? Can you guess it? 140, we have first quadrant, second, third, and fourth quadrant. Okay, so 140 degree, of course, is more than 90. It can be in first quadrant. Okay, and it is less than 180. Automatically it is here. It is here. Okay, so from here to here is 90. Okay, and from here to here is 50. So this bearing is 140 degree. Okay, if that is the case, this part, okay, is 90. Then this part should be 50, because 50 plus 90 is 140. So all these things, they are very necessary while solving bearing. Okay, then C, 300 degree. Of course it can be here, because here is 90. It can be here because from here to here is 180. 90, 90, 180. 90 plus another 90, 270. So this bearing 300 is quadrant. Okay, it's here. Sorry for this, because it has to be straight line. Okay, so from here to here is 300. Okay, it's 300 degree, because 90, 90, 180, 90, 270. But if that is the case, from here to here is 270. So and from here to here is 300. This part should be what? Remember, out of 360 we have taken 300, so this small part should be 60 degree. Okay, it is very necessary. So that's how to calculate bearing between 2 points. Okay, before I answer this question, let me just give it diagram. Okay, let's assume your school. This is your school. Okay, let me connect it with your house. This is your house. Okay, let here be 20. If remember, alternate angles are equal. Okay, these are alternate. If here is 20, automatically here will be 20 also. Okay, then let us look at two bearing. Remember, bearing of A from B is not the same thing as bearing of B from A. The bearing of your school, the bearing of your school from your house is not the same thing as bearing of your house from school. Okay, then let us look at this two bearing, this diagram. This is your school, this is your house. Then the bearing of school from your house. So this is what you do. From house, you have to go and take the bearing from here. This from matters. Bearing of school from house you go to your house. This is the house. You take it until you touch that connection between your house. This is the line that joins the school. So from house, you go to the house and calculate the bearing, which is going to be what? 90 plus 90, 180 plus 20, that is 200. Okay, then let us look at the same diagram. Let us look at the other way around. This is school from your house. Now house from school. You see, from the same diagram, house from school. This time around, from school, we go to school. Okay, we go to school then and take the measurement. Okay, you started from, here you can see we start from the north. Here also we start from the north until the line. That's all. Okay, the bearing of your house from school is just 20. Can you see? That is it. So now let us see the question. Find the bearing of A from B. A from B. A from B. From B. Okay, that from matters is the base. You go to B, you start from the north of it and move clockwise. Okay, that is it. So whatever you have in this region, in this reflex, 90 plus 90, 180 plus 30, that is 210. It is 210. As simple. Here also, remember the question. Find the bearing of A from B. From B. From B. I repeat. So you go to B. This time around, this is B. So you start from the north of it and move clockwise. Okay, move clockwise. That is it. So we have, until you touch the line that joins them. This is 90 plus 20, that is 110. Okay, this bearing here is 110 degree. I hope this is clear. So let us take another example. This time around, the diagram is not given. We have to come up with the diagram. Okay, if the bearing of x from y, the bearing of x from y is 210. So which one should I write first? I have to write my y, the position of y. This is y. Okay, but at any point you must do this cardinal point. Okay, so the bearing of x, the bearing that x take from y is 230. 230 starting from the north. This is 180. This is 90. Plus 90, 180. 230. Remember, 230 is in this line. Okay, then this is going to be x. Then x must have its own cardinal point. Okay, then if the whole of this is 230, the bearing of x from y is 230. This is 230. So what matters? Remember, this is 90, 91. From here, from north to west is 270. So you should be able to tell this region out of 230, out of 270, we have cut 230 from it. So automatically here has to be 40. Okay, definitely this part has to be 40. Okay, and from we alternate angles are equal. Okay, it is really going to help you in this bearing. If here is 40, let me draw it clearly. Here is also 40. Alternate angles are equal. Okay, remember, if you have two lines, if you have two parallel lines, this line and this line, if they are parallel and there's any transversal line that joins them, okay, so whatever is here must be here. Okay, and of course this line and this line, they are parallel. This is transversal line. Okay, this line A and B are parallel, and this line that cross them is transversal. So with that, if here is 20, here must be 20. So we have gotten this right here. Now find the bearing of y from x. This time around from x. So we now go to x, move from the north of it and move. Okay, no, I have not done something. I missed a step. Then if here is 40, it's like outside of what we need. Then remember, from here to here is 90. So if here is 40, this has to be 50, because 50 plus 40 is 90. So the bearing of y from x is just from here to here. Remember, this 40 is not part of it, it's 50. Okay, the bearing of y from x equal 50 degree. Okay, this is where we are going to stop today, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Make sure you are very careful and don't go out until it is necessary. Bye.